is Lori at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Versi Snaps LLC booth, and I have Bob. Bob, you've got some really neat snaps that will help with tomato plants.
Absolutely. About 4 years ago, I got frustrated in my garden trying to determine what to use to tie up my tomato plants. And here's the problem. Are you frustrated season after season searching for a better way to support your plants? Well, do you use strings, cut up pantyhose, or t-shirts? You get the picture. It's the same old story. I hear it all the time from gardeners. So, solution, I thought of the idea of putting snaps on a strap instead of tying it. What I did was I determined the best position for the snaps. The product is 16 inches long. It's made of polypropylene, which is woven in New Jersey. So that's 100% American made. The snaps are baby snaps. They're nickel and brass. They're not going to rust. They're manufactured in Florida by the Stinson Company. So I wanted to get the best of the product. So the simple thing is, if you can look at the nice design here, I have a pink tomato snap. There's a couple ways you can use it. Wrap it to a stake, up to a 1-inch square stake. If it's something smaller, you can, like this particular stake, you can actually take the snap and double wrap it and snap it, and it'll hold. And let me show you an example of how this works with my nice colorful snaps. So here's a tomato plant laying on the ground, right? And what do you normally do? I got to get some string, or it's in a cage. A cage is rigid, and it can be used with a cage, by the way. But this will make it much simpler for you. My customers tell me that. You just wrap it around the part of the stem or the plant, snap it, bring it up to the stake. Very simple. In this case, we're going to double wrap it instead of having to tie it and snap it. Now, as the plant grows, you can move this up and down, or you can maneuver it. This part of the tomato plant doesn't need support, but this one does, right? So you take it up, pull it up to the stake, and snap it. Now, if you wanted to hide your straps, you can use this olive color or any one of the green colors. It comes in 10 different colors, and they come 8 to a pack, and they retail for $9.99. These will last for years. I have videotape of people telling me, and I never coerced them, telling me that this is the best invention. I mean, you know what it is? It's making life a little bit simpler for gardeners everywhere. That's been my my mantra, you know. I want to make things simpler, and this definitely will cut your time down in the garden. It's made in the USA.
And the nice thing is a lot of people are starting to do the patio type gardenings, and they don't have a way to stake in the tomato cages and things, so they could actually strap that to the deck also.
Yeah, and another thing is, it's not just for tomato plants. As you were saying, roses, it can be used for rose bushes. You know, flowers like peonies that tend to flop over. You want something to hold it up. I would recommend using something that's going to hide. And I use it on my tall grass. I daisy chain them. There's multiple ways of using my product. They're very durable. They're going to hold. They're very strong. I ask my customers, email me and let me know all the clever ways you're using tomato snaps. I have people coming back saying, this is great. My husband told me to buy 3 more packages. So I really believe, just by my customers saying that this product is unbelievable. It's simple enough, be easy to use, and practical.
That sounds great, Bob. To find out more information or where you can go to purchase them, where can we go? I
have a website. It's tomatosnaps.com. And I also have it on Amazon, but it's probably easier to go to my website right now. If you have any questions, my number is on my website. My email address, bob@tomatosnaps.com.
That sounds great, Bob. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.